Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili pickle. First, let's talk about the key ingredients. You'll want about 500 grams of fresh, firm chilies. For spices, gather mustard seeds, fenugreek, turmeric, and asafoetida. A good quality oil like mustard or sesame is crucial for preservation. Finally, have some vinegar or lemon juice ready to give your pickle that perfect tangy kick. These are the building blocks for a delicious homemade chili pickle. Now let's get those chilies ready. Begin by washing them thoroughly and ensuring they are completely dry to prevent any spoilage. Next, remove the stems and chop your chilies into your preferred size. 1-inch pieces work well. You can either slit them lengthwise or cut them into small rounds. If you prefer a milder pickle, you can also choose to deseed some of the chilies to reduce their heat. This step is all about personalizing your pickle's spice level. Creating the perfect spice blend is key to a flavorful chili pickle. Start by lightly roasting whole spices such as mustard seeds and fenugreek in a dry pan until they become wonderfully fragrant. Once cooled, grind these roasted spices into a coarse powder using a spice grinder. Then, combine this aromatic powder with turmeric, asafoetida, and salt. For an extra pop of color and a bit more heat, you can also add a touch of red chili powder to your blend. This mixture forms the heart of your pickle's taste. Now for the exciting part, assembling your chili pickle. First, heat your chosen oil until it's smoking hot, then allow it to cool down slightly. In a clean bowl, combine your prepared chilies with the aromatic spice mixture. Next, pour the warm oil and your vinegar or lemon juice over the chili and spice blend, mixing everything thoroughly. Finally, transfer this delicious mixture into a sterilized glass jar. Seal it tightly and let it cure for at least 2 to 3 days, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.